Dodge Demon. I always wanted to drive a car with Joey Belladonna's likeness on the side. Time to make content. Vroom vroom won't pass tech. Automotive journalists. Get them clicks. But who will help me? Oh! Dipping toes in water. Ice skating. Life is good. Comfortable interior. Brown. 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 Holding hands. Stable marriage. Ah, yes. Yeah. Traverse. Nothing here. How much boom do you need? More. 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 That's good. Hey Corey, I found your new Subaru. Porsche food. How do I get to the Porsche food? Hors d'oeuvres. Here we go. Time for more content. I'm the director. Oh, here I come. I'm gonna tell you about the content. We gotta make car content. Lincoln Navigator. I'll see you in the ghetto in 11 years. Acura MDX. My marriage is dissolving and this is the only good thing in my life. Blah blah blah. NSX. Can I drive one? No. No. Right now Matt Happel is thinking, I can get more out of it. Thinking about getting kids. Oh, that's a lot of groceries sweating that, babies. Ralph Orlov. Balaban. Mustache. Oh, I got the best lighting for the best content. Rich douchebags, here is your god. Oh boy, I've been waiting for this. Influencer. Here you go, Civic Type R. Legitimately, the Civic Type R was crowded around. It was packed the entire time I walked by. It was hard to get close to that thing. Oh boy, but here's a Touring. Business shoes, journalism shoes, business shoes, journalism shoes, business shoes, journalism shoes. Oh, smooth bottoms. Toyota FT, the official car of merging right India, because you have no visibility out the backsides. I drive a Japanese truck, but I'm still American. Still humping that hydrogen dream. Alpha 4C. I never even sat in one of these things. I tried to get in it, but it's locked. I guess I'll just sit in whatever this is. Oh, wait, that guy's doing it. I'll go sit in this gray one. Oh, no, that guy's gonna do it. You getting in?
No.
Okay. Alpha Romeo. Feels like a Toyota in here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. These knobs feel Mazda. There's something Mazda about this. Oh, it's a little bit Mazda in here. Oh, Alpha. Everybody's filming the flashing car. Green. Well, yeah, but isn't that the point? Oh, thank goodness for that. Well, getting in a van. This is a Freightliner van. It's a diesel. It revs to 4. And it's made famous by every single airport shuttle ever. Man, I remember when these Caprices were everywhere. Everybody had them. Then the Panther body, and now, you know, whatever these things are. I don't know, they're engines that blow after 50,000 miles. Not a car. Wait, this is a tent. This is a Honda designed tent? Where are you going with this? I'm rich, but I'm still hood.
Jeep. Have you forgotten yet? Time for Porsche. Oh, stuff's happening. This one guy's standing on a box. Oh, look at all the speed coming through. It's got lines. Holy shit. Oh, it's an eyeball. My penis. Oh, Porsche. Uh-oh, the numbers are going down. V. Now it's a different number. Oh no, 1. What's gonna happen? Oh, blur. Oh, these are all the lines of my jizz.
2017 is an exciting year for us. 22 new model variants will reach our US dealers in March. We're off to a good start, and it's one of the most versatile.
Not a car. Volvo. Volvo coffee. This is Volvo coffee.
Oh, Genesis! I can't wait! Give me more. Give me more trends. Tiny house.
I own a condominium. Tiny house. What does this have to do with cars?
And just kind of off-grid. That's it, yeah. You don't have to pay very much.
My friend Corey should be all about this. So did you uproot this thing and water, air conditioning?
This is amazing. This is incredible.
Car show. I would hit my head so much on everything here. Oh, feet on the roof. Oh. This one's bigger. I mean, essentially what this is this is a small RV. So if you're in a small RV like this, is what you get. And you hear that guy outside says, I like the... Oh, there it is. See, the thing is, if you'd live with 2 people, it would be freaking weird. Because one person would have to be in the bedroom at one point. Like, that down there would have to be some sort of office or something.
There's no, yeah.
And there's no having friends over, that's the thing. Wham! Oh, another
New
breaker
pause.
box.
Rocky Gym.
Yep. Is this the bathroom? Yep, I don't know about... You gotta poop with the door open. That's just how it goes. Looks like someone tried to do something in here. There's like all blotches and stuff on that. Yeah, you have to poop with the door open. Wait a minute. Tiny houses is just the rich person version of a trailer. Oh. This is the storage room.